everyone and welcome back to another video with Environment with M. Today's video is going to be all about baking soda. Baking soda, isn't that a weird one? Well, not really. If you're trying to reduce your waste, learning how to use baking soda for everything can really reduce your waste. Online, you can buy baking soda in a really big package. And in some places you can even buy baking soda without packaging. And you can use that instead of cleaning products, beauty products, which all comes in packaging. So using baking soda for everything is actually a really good way to live more zero waste. So let's get into it. So let's get creative with some baking soda. So let's start with some beauty. We are gonna make a mouthwash, and for that we'll need about this much baking soda and just some water. And then you want to stir it together properly. One is a cleanser. So you need about a little bit less than a tablespoon and the same amount of water. And this will be quite similar to a face scrub. If you got a dirty sink, just use the baking soda that is now there and wipe it off. And now I'm gonna use this as a deodorant. Interesting. So I'm using my pad that I bought from Medvetna. How to make shampoo from baking soda. You just put a tablespoon of baking soda with a cup of water and pour it over your hair, and then try to make it go everywhere. Yeah, and it works. And now into shoes. These are a little bit dirty, as you can see. And yeah, I use some baking soda with a tiny bit of water. And first I use this wipe, but it actually worked a lot better with just my hands. And yeah, they got a lot cleaner. I don't know if you can see it, but they are cleaner. And here are Joe's football shoes, and they stink. So I'm putting some baking soda in my bags that I'm using for shopping to put fruits and vegetables in. And then I just put it in his shoe. And it actually removed quite a lot of the bad smell. So a good tip that. And another smell tip, if you got a smelly fridge, which happens sometimes, then you can just put some baking soda in a glass and put it in the fridge, and it will remove the smell. And for some washing up, sometimes it's quite hard to get rid of all the food. So just put some baking soda and it will help remove the food from the dish. And you can also use it to clean the kitchen area, because as it is a little bit like a scrub, it works quite well to remove stains and spots and make it all clean. But remember to use just like a wet cloth after to remove the baking soda, because otherwise it will just be baking soda
everywhere, and that's not nice.
Okay, so I hope you found that interesting and inspiring, and that you want to try these very simple recipes to reduce your waste. So see you in my next video. Bye!